Hello, my name is Jack O'Neill, and I'm going to be presenting my integrative learning project, which focuses on a problem that's been occurring with the timesheets at my place of business, which is the Bainbridge Island Parks and Rec. I selected this topic because the problem has caused difficulties within the organization and for me and some of my fellow employees as well. The stakeholders within the problem are the employees who use the timesheet system, as well as the payroll supervisor who receives all of the timesheets and then must review them to make sure that there are no errors. Once he is done doing this, he must enter them, and our recreation superintendent, who is another stakeholder in the grand scheme of things, must take a look at the entirety of his work and make sure that everything is good to go. So the actual timesheet system that we use is a mobile app that is run through a website. It is downloaded onto your phone, and since it's on your phone, you're able to clock in anywhere. The problem with the mobile app is that we've been experiencing issues with accuracy of the timestamps. There are times that the system doesn't register when people actually clock in, and the results are incorrect times, which is a burden on both the payroll supervisor and the superintendent as well, since they're overseeing the entire operation. If the timesheets are wrong, the payroll supervisor must contact the employee with the incorrect timesheet, or the employee must contact them. This is problematic in terms of reliability, especially for the in terms of mobile device error, where sometimes if you're out in the field and you don't have data or mobile roaming data, you might not be able to actually clock in at all. And then this causes more problems because then you have to relay that information back to the payroll supervisor, which causes problems in the grand scheme of things. So the opposing solutions that we have is that for Model A, we want to continue the use with the system. By this, we would need to contact the website that we currently use to troubleshoot the delays in the system and figure out a way to update the user in case that the timestamps is off or incorrect. The other option would be to find a new website that has all the uploaded or updated features already, but this would cause problems in terms of integrating a new system, and this could take a long while, and we're not sure what the cost would be. Model B would be to switch back to the old school method, switch to paper timesheets. I've used this type of timesheet or clock-in system in the past, and it's worked pretty much every time. I haven't had any problems with clocking in or clocking out or being able to see what my times were because it's all on paper. The employees would not have to worry about their app not working due to service issues or other problems with the mobile app or the website. So my solution for the grand scheme of things is to incorporate both systems through the use of technology. The classmates and as well as my professor has talked to me about incorporating a sort of RFID badge system, which I did some research on. I found that it's relatively inexpensive. The RFID badge system is both dual accessible, so the website that we already are using for the mobile device would already be ready to go, and we would be able to incorporate both of them into the whole system. We would have the RFID badges for each of the employees would be small and compact, easily fittable in your wallet, so you'd be able to just come on in and then just boop, scan it and you'll be good to go. The system itself is relatively inexpensive, priced at around $200 for each system, totaling $400 for both facilities. Our payroll supervisor would not have to worry about inaccuracies anymore through the use of both systems, because if one system acts up, let's just say the mobile device, then we can use the other method of clocking in and sort out the problem at a later time. And in general, our superintendent will not have to worry so much about the system acting up and will be more accurate than ever. And since we already have the mobile app incorporated into the system, it would be an easy fix and easy transition for everyone and all the stakeholders in the problem. Thank you so much for listening.